Hello, hi, ni hao, namaste, assalamu alaikum. This is my introduction video. I want to introduce myself and I want to share my qualification, experience and achievements with you. And my name is Ihsanullah. I am from Pakistan, Peshawar, and I'm Master of English, Master of History, B.Ed in M.Ed. And now I want to show my duly attested and verified credentials to you. So this is my Master of English from National University of Modern Languages, Islamabad, Pakistan. And so this is my first degree of Master of English from National University of Modern Languages, Islamabad, Pakistan. And this is my name, Ihsanullah, and I have completed MA English in Linguistics and Literature, and this is from NAMAL. And this has been duly attested from the concerned authorities and departments, because if you want to work in some foreign country, so you are supposed to duly attest your documents from the concerned authorities and departments, and they are, for example, from your concerned university from which you have achieved your degree, and after that from Higher Education Commission, and then from Foreign Office. So after that these documents will be acceptable in foreign countries. So this is my Master of English, and this is from National University of Modern Languages, Islamabad. Okay, and after that, this is from University of Peshawar, Master of Arts in History, and this is Master of History, and this has also been attested from all the concerned authorities and departments. And this is Master of Education, Ihsanullah, and University of Peshawar. Okay, and Master of Education, and this is Bachelor of Education, Ihsanullah, University of Peshawar, and this has also been duly attested. And this is Bachelor of Arts, Ihsanullah, University of Peshawar, and duly attested from the concerned authorities. And this is my intermediate certificate from Board of Intermediate and Secondary Education, Peshawar, and this has also been attested from different departments. And this is my secondary school certificate from Board of Intermediate and Secondary Education, Peshawar, and this has also been attested from all the concerned authorities and departments. So these were my credentials. Now I am going to show you my experience. I've been teaching English grammar for the last 20 years, and that is my specific field, but I can also teach history, social studies and Islamic studies. So I have 20 years experience, and now I am going to show you my experience certificates. So this is my first experience certificate, and I have started my teaching at Qurtaba Model School, Peshawar, and this is one of the famous school in Peshawar, and it has also now many universities. And I have started here on April 5th of April 1999, 5th of April 1999. And this was my first school where I started teaching. And I have also a number of other experience certificates. So this is from Ghazali Public School, Jamrod, Mr. Ihsanullah, and 5/1/2004. And this is another one. This is Farabi College, Peshawar, experience certificate, July 2013 to March 2015, Mr. Ihsanullah. And this is my another experience certificate, the Oxford School System experience certificate, Ihsanullah. and 2015 I started here, and still I've been teaching English. Okay, so this was my experience, and I have also a number of achievements. I am the author of 7 books, and one of them is very famous and world-class book, and this is Modern English Grammar book, and this is 700 pages book. I have written this book. This is my short introduction, and I have completed this in 10 years, and this is a complete English grammar book. Many schools and colleges are running this syllabus at their schools and colleges. And my other book, this is particularly with the same name, Modern English Grammar book, but it is for class 4th, 5th and 6th, and this is my short introduction on the back of it. And these are my other small 3 books, and this I have written for the students of primary schools, and this is for class 1st, this is for class 2nd, and this is for class 3rd. So these are 3 other small books, and I have written according to the students at this level, because the level of understanding at this level is different from the level of understanding at high school. Okay, and now there is another 2 small books. This is one of my history book, A Concise History of Indo-Pak Subcontinent, and I have written this book when I completed my Master of History. So at that time I had fresh knowledge about history, and I wanted to write them. So I wrote that information, and then I give a shape of a book, and this is very useful for all the people who wanted to make a short introduction to the history of the world. Okay, and this is my another book, and this I have written in Urdu, Pakistan ka Nizam-e Talim aur Behtareen Tariqe Talim. But in this book, I have written all my 20 years experience, and I have written how a principal should play a role, how a teacher should play a role, how a student should play a role, and how educational department should play a role. It is basically mainly focused on private education, but I have also discussed here government education system. So this is very, very useful book for all the people. And after that, when I completed this book, so many of the people, many of the students demanded this book to a great extent, and it was not possible for me to provide this book to all the students. So I then created my YouTube channel. So whatever I have written in this book, I have made different videos, 127 videos, and uploaded on this channel. This is my YouTube channel, English Grammar with Ihsan Faiz. So if you give this channel name in your YouTube channel search engine, so this channel will come out to you, and this is very useful for all the people who are interested in learning English language or English grammar. So this was my short introduction video in which I explain myself, and I made this video with this fervor to show you or to give you a concept of making such a video for yourself. And you should also make such a video, and you should express your education, your qualification, your experience, your skill. And because this is a digital world, and now everything is changing, and a time will come that the traditional way of CV will also be ended, and then everywhere this sort of introduction video will be needed to send to the concerned departments wherever you want to apply for a job. So particularly if you are interested in foreign countries, if you want to go to foreign countries, so this sort of video plays a significant role, because this video will not only work as your CV, but it also work as your interview and your demo, because in such a video your qualification in skill is expressed, is presented, in the people who hire you. They understand that what is your talent and what is your ability, and you should make your own video based on your own skill. I am a teacher, so I have such a background, and if you belong to another field, so you should make that sort of background. For example, if you are a mechanic, so you should keep your background as a mechanical shop or such a type of thing. If you are an engineer, so then you should make an office or some site where you are looking like an engineer, so you can present yourself in a very well position, and then you can send these introduction videos to different departments in your country or in foreign countries. So if they see any talented in you, and if you can give something to them, they must ask you to join them. So this was a short introduction video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Goodbye. She ma salama.